Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm down in the dumps. Why? Because I just made snow cream for the family. And folks, it's not keto. I'm trying to do a lower carb lifestyle right now. And I feel so much better. But I want snow cream. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to make snow cream. Okay. I have about 3 cups of snow. I have a 1/4 cup of the monk fruit sweetener. I have 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now folks, all this is keto. So I'm still going to get my snow cream and vanilla extract. Always use the real vanilla, folks, because that fake stuff is as bad as fake news. It's just no good. And we all know how bad fake news is. Okay. I'm just going to stir this up until it all blends together. Okay. I've got this mixed up really good. Folks, I did add about another tablespoon of the heavy whipping cream in there. So that was 3 tablespoons of that. But don't worry, I will give you the ingredients and amounts in the description box. So let me get some of this out here. And I do have to keep half of this for my husband. He'll be mad if I made snow cream and he didn't get any, especially since it's keto. That, my dear, is a very, very good substitute for what I made the kids. Is it exactly the same? No. In all honesty, if you're doing low carb or keto, you know there's always a little difference in the flavor. But I can handle this. Thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you on that next video.